friends, how are you? I think you must have been fit and fine. And this is Parvesh Chaudhary. I again welcome to all of you on this learning platform. And today we are going to discuss about noun meaning and its types, right? And before proceed on the topic, friends, I would humble request to all of you that please subscribe the channel if you didn't subscribe, and press the bell icon so you'd be getting all essential notifications on your phone or your computer, right? So let's start the topic. Here you can see noun meaning and types. Today we'll go across the noun meaning and use and types. Fine. So let's start the topic. First of all, let's see the definition, right? A noun is the name of person, place, thing, a group in idea and concept or a system. For example, Archit, Apple, Kanpur, colonialism, democracy, physics. It can be broadly classified into two categories. So as you can see over here on the computer screen, friends, it's a very common definitions you might have heard already, and it's like wherever we include these names, right? Archit, Apple, Kanpur, colonialism, democracy. So all these are the nouns. Fine. And further, it can be broadly classified into two categories. The first one is countable noun and the second one uncountable noun. Fine. I hope you must be getting, students. And if you talk about the countable noun, then further there are the three categories mainly. First one proper, then common, then collective noun. Fine. And in case of uncountable noun, there is two major categories: abstract noun and material noun. Fine. I hope you must be getting. Let's move on the next one slide. Here, the first of all, we talk about proper noun and its use. Fine. This is the proper noun, friends. And let's see the definition of proper noun. First of all, it is the name of any particular person, place, or thing, right? And it is the name of an individual thing, not a group or class, right? So this is the definitions you can go through. I hope you must be getting. And let's go through the examples. Let's take some examples over here so you'd be getting clearly, right? Name of a person like Mahesh, Ramesh, Manisha, right? These are the examples of proper noun. For example, Manisha is a very nice girl. Fine. Here Manisha is a proper noun, right? Name of place: Delhi, Saharanpur Garden, etc. Here, like Delhi is the capital of India. Fine. And tables are made of the wood. So here Delhi and tables denoted proper noun, right? Let's move forward. Here, let's talk about the common noun and its use. Fine. The second one, there's a common noun. Actually, the definition is, friends, it is the name of any large group or class having similar or common characteristics. For example, let's suppose there are groups, right? But they have the similar categories, like they may be masculine features or they may be feminine, right? So both may be there, right? Let's go through the example. The first one is over here: children were playing in the garden, right? So the children indicating the common noun, right? And the second one: these students are very intelligent, right? So students, these students are the common noun. Fine. I hope you must be getting, students. Let's move further. Just a moment. Here the collective noun, right? Let's go through the collective noun. Collective noun, actually you can guess the idea actually by the name itself. It is the name of a group of persons, animals, or collection of things. For example, like if you are looking at some groups, right? Group of people, group of animals, group of persons, group of things, like these are called collective noun. Yeah, right? Let's go through the example. I'm sorry for interruption. The orchard of fruit trees are located in Saharanpur. Fine. Here, this one you can look at here. That orchard of fruit, that trees are located in Saharanpur. Here is the example of collective noun, right? A bucket of flowers. Here the example of collective noun. A bucket of flowers was presented to the guest. Fine. I hope you must be getting, students, right? Let's go through the. This is just. Today we have been covering the basic things, like basic grammar, you can say, you can call. And the very first topic, the noun, right? These now talk about the uncountable noun. These are the uncountable noun. As I told you earlier that there were divided broadly in two categories. First one was countable and second one is here uncountable nouns. Fine. The first one under this category like abstract noun. Fine. Let's go through definition first. It is the name of a concept, feeling, quality and action or state, right? It cannot be touched, fine, you cannot touch, or fine, you can only feel it, right? But we can experience, or you can experience it, fine, or feel it. For example, poverty is a curse for the humanity, right? Poverty is a curse for the humanity, fine. So here is poverty is a example, is an example of, abstract noun, fine. And honesty is a best policy, so here honesty is an example of abstract noun, fine. And like this, India is the largest democracy in the world, so democracy here will indicate abstract noun, and here unemployment is indicating abstract noun. I hope you must be getting, students. Let's move further. And the last one is material noun and use, fine. So this is the material noun. Let's go through the definition first of all. It is the name of the material from which a thing is made, fine. It may be liquid, solid or gas, etc. For example, let's suppose it is donated by the material, okay, which may be a thing, right? And you can touch this, right? You can see that, you can touch that, fine. It may be a liquid, or okay, it may be a form in it may be in the form of liquid, solid or gas, fine. Let's go through the examples. Paper are made in this factory, fine. So see, here is paper is a material noun, fine. And wheat is a very nutritious grain, so wheat is indicating material noun. He's a wood merchant, fine. So here wood is indicating material noun, fine. I hope you must have enjoyed this little lecture, friends, and it was the lecture related to basic grammar and noun, okay, noun, its types and its use. I hope you must have got it, and this is the time to say goodbye. And again I again sincerely appeal to all of you that please subscribe the channel, press the bell icons, and in the future as well we would be producing the same knowledgeable videos, same educational videos, okay? So we need your continuous support, fine. So this is the time to say goodbye. Meet again in the very next video. Till then, bye. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.